This video will show you how to tone and tighten your arms, but also address some common arm ailments you might feel. Begin by using your Aura Sweeper to dry brush the entire arms from the fingertips up towards the armpits. This is where the lymph nodes are, so this is going to promote lymphatic drainage. Then apply the Aura Activator and work enough Aura oil into the skin so that your Gua Sha stone glides without friction. Begin Gua Sha with the Aura stone using the small U-edge over the entire forearm, top and bottom. This is incredibly beneficial for anyone who works on the computer a lot or those who might experience carpal tunnel. You might notice that you're carrying more tension in the forearm than you realized. Use the rounded tip to work on the hand, gliding from the base of each finger towards the wrist. Working on the hand opens the flow of energy in the entire body, and this feels so healing. You can then also use the wavy edge over the palm and then continue it down the forearm. Continue working over the entire forearm with the wavy edge, using 2 to 5 strokes in each area depending on what feels good for your body. You can also use the rounded tip of your Aura stone and work through any tight muscle fibers that you might have on your forearm. To tone and tighten the tricep area of your upper arm, use the wavy edge. Lift your elbow up and work from elbow towards armpit, several strokes with the wavy edge of the Aura stone. Gua Sha tightens and tones the skin by smoothing fascia underneath the skin surface and also draining any excess lymphatic fluid that might be congested in the tissues. Continue working over the entire arm, leaving no part of it untended to with your Gua Sha stone. You'll naturally notice that you'll want to spend more time in some areas over others depending on how it feels, how much pain you have, and what needs the most TLC.